We have always taken the safety of our colleagues and customers very seriously. With COVID-19, we have a new challenge, and we'd like to explain what we are doing to keep you and your vehicle safe during your next visit. When your vehicle needs to be serviced, we'll give you a specific appointment time, and we ask you to please ensure you keep the appointment to help us control the number of people on site at any given time. For that reason, we also ask that, where possible, you bring your car by yourself. Before your visit, we'll call you and carry out the check-in process. That way you can minimize the time you spend in our service reception. If you'd prefer that we meet you at your car when you arrive, you can let us know during the check-in call. Since we're going to disinfect your key, we'll ask you to remove other keys normally attached to your car key before you arrive. If your dealer has a drive-through facility, please pull in and wait inside your car until greeted. If you're coming inside the service reception area, please apply disinfectant gel upon entering and follow the customer flow stickers on the floor to help maintain a 2-meter gap between you and other customers. Now that the governments across the UK require face coverings to be worn by customers in a retail environment, including car dealerships, we would ask you to bring and wear a mask when you enter our premises. We will, where possible, have a supply of masks for those who forget to bring their own, and the use of face coverings will not affect the normal need for social distancing. As you would expect, we're increasing the cleaning of regular touchpoints at the dealer. We've introduced a no handshake rule, and things have been rearranged to increase workspace for our staff. We won't ask you to sign the repair order unless the manufacturer requires this. When we receive your vehicle, we'll disinfect all the touchpoints and use a vehicle protection pack. Our team members change gloves for each vehicle they work on and are washing their hands between every vehicle job. After working on your vehicle, we will disinfect your key and common contact areas. As part of our service, we'll send you a free health check video, and all repair and invoice explanations will be done by phone or video call. When it's time to collect your vehicle, we offer contactless mobile payment, such as Apple and Google Pay, at every location. However, if you need to pay by card, we'll provide protective gloves for you as you use the card payment machines. We are taking our responsibility very seriously to protect you and our team. If you have any specific questions or feedback, please raise this with your advisor. Thank you for watching, and from everyone at Sytner, stay safe.